Alright, successful fan store appearance. Got myself a little something for the game. Jersey to fit in with the crowd. Got the tickets, so let's go. I won't get beat up. I'm in the home team jersey. Ей, можливо, ти оператор?
Блін, немає вітру, каже. Ой, не холодно.
Оператор. Не як цей. Десь тут.
Блядь, цей вітер,
Він
боже.
сказати зелений. Добрий оператор. На вулиці. She's the best.
В Гданську дуже сильний вітер.
I hire the best cameraman in the game. Таня. Там дзеркало.
Я бачу, ти тут.
Екран.
Ти тут.
Окей, зелений сказати. Зелений. Я не знаю, чи зелений. Сектор G and L. О, MT. Окей, зараз я розумію.
Я хочу пройти нормально.
Okay, after security. Okay, we made it inside. Sector S. The girl's too interested in Miller time to know we gotta find our seats. Хочеш пиво? Chipsy. She wants some food. Okay. Hold on. Okay, operator. That's probably all trashed video. Alright, I almost fell. You guys know what that means. Very loud Polish noises are happening. 3 falls and I die. What a beautiful stadium. I gotta say, this is a beautiful stadium. So there you go. There is where the Gdańsk Ultras, the hooligans, sit. I'm counting on you guys to be crazy. I wonder if I can get down to the field there. I still don't know who's the team I'm cheering for and who the opposing team is. They're both in green. That's a real fan. One who doesn't know who he's cheering for. That's what I want to see. Get crazy over there. Lots of Polish noises happening. Okay, back to the seat. Let's go. Look at her up there, just enjoying herself, having a ball. Привет, Tanusha. Highway to hell. Demonetized. Tak veselo, da? She's a football fan now. I got her to the first game by twisting her arm, and now she's asking to go to football games. Got a new fan there. It's Lechia Gdańsk versus Warta Poznań. When I'm in Warsaw, I'm Warsaw #1 fan. I don't know what he's saying, but loud Polish noises. I think he's hyping the fans up. He's the hype man. He's the hype man. Warszawa було. I think there'll be more people yet. I don't know how many people this stadium holds, but it's got to be 17, 18,000. Like, I don't care if the building isn't packed as long as the fans are crazy. I want crazy fans. Божевільні люди. Я хочу божевільні люди.
Я теж.
Nah, she doesn't. Anything that won't embarrass her, that's her thing. Я божевільні люди. Я божевільні люди. Here we go, the boys are coming out. also a football game going on. Oh. He's down, he's hurt. Now let's play a game called Is He Really Hurt or Is It Soccer? I guess we should really play Is He Hurt or Am I an Asshole? I mean, he could really be hurt, right? Man, I think they go all game. He's up, he's okay. He's gonna be okay. Minutes into this game and they haven't stopped chanting "Let's go Lechia." Oh, 7 minutes in, they haven't quit. I don't know if they're going to. Minutes, 15 minutes into this game, they haven't stopped. They're not gonna stop. I wanted crazy fans, I got them here in Gdańsk. Yeah, Tanya, yeah! Like I'm losing my voice just watching them chant. Oh he, oh he. Polish noises. They almost got another goal and we got a man down. This guy's really hurt. Oh, he's up. He's up. He's okay. He's up. Well, he might not be okay, but he's up. What are we at here? 38 minutes and 11 seconds. Lechia Gdańsk 2. Poznań. Warta Poznań 0. Okay. Kielbasa, hot dog, albo Zapiekanka. Zapiekanka. У нас є 20 злотих, якщо ми хочемо 10 злотих. Що це запіканка? Це запіканка? Запіканка. It's like a pizza thing.
Якась фігня. Якась фігня.
Якась фігня? She said, what is this bullshit? Якось фігня. Ну так, багато. Хот-дог буде краще. Що, Таня? Смачно? She doesn't like it. Dobra.
Перестань мене знімати.
That guy's pissed right up, messing with the mascot. Good game, Tanya. Dobry match, Tanya. So look at that. Football bringing people together. Pissed off and having a great time. Just about, well, 70 minutes gone, 20 minutes to remain. Lechia Gdańsk still up 2-0. Looks like they got this one in the bag. Once again, 75 minutes gone in this game and they are still chanting hard. I've never been at a game in my life, any sport, where fans have gone this hard. Not disappointing here in Gdańsk. What a game, lots of fun. Poland, you went crazy. Fans, amazing. Gdańsk wins 2-0. We're out.